started the building from 2016, when I had the honor and privilege of being with him when he conducted me around his estate, that is AIT. On that day, I told him, I said, stand by, the time will come when you will be needed. The political victory or lack of victory of the PDP has long been programmed. And before you, I stand to confirm that the people who are playing the forefront today have been duly informed. How they play the game is what will determine the outcome. If they play it properly as they have been advised in writing, they will achieve victory. But if they do not, I stand before you to say tonight that the catastrophe that will befall Nigeria is of unimaginable proportion. God forbid. This is not about God forbidding, my dear brother. It is that when God has advised you and you think you know better, then you know who is speaking to you. So that is why I told you I will say a little of what you don't know. All this jamboree going around need to redefine itself. I'm telling you now, it saddens me that in spite of what is written in black and white, these human beings don't want to be advised. And that is why I told some friends here this evening that the greatest problem on earth is to lead the blind. Those who are blind, they will never see that you are leading them aright. So, ladies and gentlemen, don't be in a hurry to celebrate. Try and keep to what you are told. Leave the celebration to the time when it is due. I have made this statement because I see it is necessary to say it. There are things that are kept in the wraps. So please, Raymond has the character. He's prepared for the cause he's going to champion. But I tell you, if they do not follow the catastrophe that will befall this nation, it will never recover from it. I think we should keep quiet. So please, rejoice. But at the same time, let it be known that this is not just talking. It is a certainty. Thank you very much.